Hi everyone, so today we are going to make this funky fish out of some recycled materials from your house. So you can see here, it's a little fish on a line, and it can move and it'll hang up and you can play with it like so. So what I have on my table today is some egg boxes. I have a paintbrush, a piece of string, a pencil, a scissors, some jewels, I have some wiggly eyes, I have some paint, some glue, and a piece of card. So what we're going to do first of all is, you can see here on my egg box that I have this little part here which is going to make the fish's head. So it's important that you cut that part out like this, all around. So there, that part will become the fish's head, as you can see. Then over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the tail. So I've got a piece of cardboard and I am going to just draw the shape of a tail on. And then with my scissors, I'm again going to cut that out. Now you might need an adult to help you doing the cardboard and the cutting, because it's very, very strong card and it might be very hard for you to use with the sharp scissors to do this. So there is the tail, like so. And then here is my egg box that I have. I had two different kinds of egg box, and you can save the egg box containers from your recycling bin. And you can have as many parts of your fish as you like. Obviously, the more amounts of the fish body parts you have, the longer, the bigger your fish is going to be. And that's okay. So I'm just going to trim off that little part there. Okay, now, so you can see here, these parts fit together like that. And that's going to make the body of the fish. And I can stack them all together. And that will make the head, and that part will make the tail. So if you were going to, you could make lots of fish if you like. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to paint my fish. So you can see here I have painted this part here. So I have my head already prepped and painted. So I'm going to paint my tail. And I have some red and some white. So I'm painting my tails on my fish the darkest colour. So I'm just going to paint this regular red all over, like that. And I'm going to paint that on both sides of the fish, like that. Okay, and then I'm going to leave that over here to dry. Then on my body section, I am going to paint this one red as well. And when you're painting it, it's important that you stamp and stipple the paintbrush into the egg box shape, like that. And then you can do the inside as well, getting all the paint all over like this. So you get all the parts. When you are making your colour, you can add a little bit of white into whichever colour you choose to make it paler. And then you can paint each section like this. Now, if you wanted, you could do multicoloured parts on your fish's body. You could make a rainbow fish like the book. You can do lots of different ways. I'm just doing this way because I wanted to do some shading in the paint so that you can see how the white makes everything go lighter like this, and you can see it fading, and it's a nice fading effect like so. And don't forget, you need to paint inside all of your different body parts. on your fish. Okay, like so. So I'm just going to leave that over to one side. And you can see here how that fades from light to dark. Now I have a piece of string here, and on the piece of string I have actually got a tail already decorated, and I have used a little cotton earbud with some paint on to decorate my tail on one side. And you can see that you can stamp little dots onto your tail, and you can do it in different shades of colour if you like that. Also, I have some sequins here, and you can see I'm going to dot with the end of my pencil little bits of glue onto my fish's tail, and you might like then to stick on some little sparkly bits. If you have some glitter, you could do that too. I'm putting green and red sparkles onto my fish because I've put some red dots on, and these colours match, and I think they look really good on my fish. And then, so I have my piece of string here, and I have my green fish all arranged in its order. So you can see all of the different parts on my fish all ready to get put together. So I'm going to arrange it like this. So you put the first one on, and it goes down for the body like that. And then the next part goes on top the other way. And you can see here how it's going to just stick together like that. Then the next part. Like that. I'm going to do one more body shape. Now you can see I have put pencil holes in my egg box containers section so that they can actually go on the string. Like this. And then I'm going to do one more, and then I'll put the little fish's face on. Like so. And you can see now. My fish's face, my body, all the parts, and now I'm going to tie a little knot on the end, and you can see I now have my funky fish like so. So on the face of my fish, what I did was I with marker drew a little mouth, smile shape, like that. And because I have some googly eyes, I stuck on some googly eyes. And I also painted some lips on my fish too. If you wanted eyelashes or anything like that as well, you could add them on as well. If you've got some feathers, they would look really good. Lots of different craft materials, glitter, anything else that you would like to decorate your fish with, and then you will have a lovely fish to hang up in your room or somewhere in your house as a cool decoration. So good luck with that, and hopefully see you soon. Bye.